This is Annie and Levi's litter, Bernedoodle Puppies. They're 4.5 weeks old. And let's see who we got there. We're going to pile up now. There's male number 3. Hi, buddy. Male number 1 is right here sleeping. Hey. Hey, buddy. And there is female number 5 behind the wagging tail. And the wagging tail of female number 4, who is playing with female number 1. Nope, female number 2. You're female number 2, aren't you? I'm trying to keep my numbers straight. I know more by markings than numbers, so. Hi, sweetie. Hi, baby. Kiss in my hand. Kiss in my hand. That's female 5. What do we got here? Hi, buddy. Aw, you're sleepy. That's male number 4. Hey. Get my hand attacked here. Hey, buddy. Aw, are you sleepy, huh? Can you wake up and say hi? Sorry, Brenda. He's crashed out. I picked a bad time to get here and get a video, didn't I, huh? I guess I did. There's a couple that are playing like crazy. There's female number 3. Yeah. Female number 4. Right. She's playful too. Male number 1's here in the pile, sleeping. Hey, buddy, I'm sorry to wake you up. You can go back to sleep in a minute, though. Look at that face. Come here. Hey. Look at it. We want to see your cute little face. You're just sitting there watching me soaking it all up, aren't you, huh? You're just sitting there watching me. Oh, you're getting sleepy. Oh, she's going to fall over. Hang your head. Can't keep your eyes open anymore. Aww. Cutie girl. I can hear my older puppies next door. They're playing. Here's female number 1. I know, you're chewing on my pant leg, you little stink. You're chewing on my pant leg. What are you doing, chasing your tail? Hey, cutie. Hi, cutie. Here's female number 1. Playful. You're just playful, aren't you? Yeah, you are. You are. You're just playful. Oh. Now they're all going to go to sleep on me. They're all going to go to sleep. Better move your water, somebody will be sleeping in it. Crash. They'll play hard, and when they're ready to sleep, crash out. Here's male number 4. He's falling over. They try and fight it, just like a kid. Can't fight it anymore. It's down. Oh, it's got quiet on this side.